Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the bracelet model and the link fastener type, because that dictates the technique. You lay the watch face down on a soft pad and position it so you can see the tiny arrows on the links. Those arrows tell you the push direction. Once done, use a pin pusher or small screwdriver aligned with the arrow and apply steady pressure. Don't force it. You do this to avoid bending pins. Steady pressure preserves the link and prevents scratches. Next, you remove the necessary number of links, and you must do this symmetrically so the clasp stays centered. First, push the pin partway, then pull it out with needle nose pliers or a picking tool. Place pins in a labeled tray to avoid confusion. Once you remove a link, temporarily reattach the remaining bracelet to confirm fit. If it feels tight, add back a link. If loose, remove one more. This trial prevents repeated disassembly and saves time. Finally, you rejoin the bracelet by aligning the link holes and pushing the pin back in the opposite of the arrow direction until it's flush. Use a small hammer or press with a block for a gentle tap if needed, and then check that the clasp sits centered and moves freely. Wear it and test for 10 to 15 minutes to ensure comfort. If a pin refuses to seat, don't force it. Use the correct replacement pin or consult a watchmaker to avoid damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.